Here's pre-calc. It's problem 8-89. So it wants you to rewrite these as like a single trig function. So if it's sine of x plus pi, that means it's moved backwards, like x minus h by 2 quadrants. So, or just think of it, don't even think of it that way. Think of it as we're adding pi, like halfway around the circle to our angle. So we're adding pi to our angle. So we start out in quadrant 1, but we end up in quadrant 3. So you can just see that the x's, which are cosine, they're going to be negative over here. And actually, sine is also going to be negative. So we can just rewrite this as negative sine x. And same thing with cosine. So cosine, you can see that if you add pi to, wherever you start, if you add pi to it, you're just going to get the opposite. Like you're going to get cosine, but it's going to be negative. And with tangent is sine over cosine. So if this was a fraction, it's a positive over a positive, which is a positive. And this would be a negative over a negative, which is also a positive. So tangent is just going to stay positive. And then this one, I guess we're having focusing problems. This one is saying 2 pi minus x. So if I start at the positive x-axis and I go around by 2 pi, and then I back up by x, it's kind of like if I start here, then I'll end up 2 pi minus x. So we're talking about quadrants that are adjacent to each other, wherever you start. So for cosine, we're going to still be positive. Like if cosine's positive, it's going to be positive 2 pi minus x later, or after 2 pi minus x transformation. But you can see that sine is going to be, oh, did I do something wrong? Sine is going to be negative. Sorry. Okay, so that's why. So on this one, that's why I'm going to say cosine, that's going to be positive because of that. Because the x value is going to stay the same, but the y, see how it's up here, it's positive, down here it's negative. And then tangent is sine over cosine. So this would be a positive, and this will be a negative, and a positive divided by a negative is a negative. So that's it.